Significant change is coming for all UK company directors. Companies House has introduced a new legal requirement that will affect every director, whether you're newly appointed or already serving. This update is part of the UK government's ongoing efforts to strengthen corporate transparency and tackle economic crime. The new rule under the Economic Crime and Corporate Transparency Act 2023 means that verifying your identity is now a must. Let's break down what this means for you and your business and how you can prepare for the changes ahead. So what exactly is changing? From now on, every company director must complete an identity verification process. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a legal requirement. Whether you're about to be appointed as a director or you're already in the role, you'll need to prove who you are. The aim is to ensure that only genuine individuals can act as company directors, making it much harder for criminals to misuse company structures. This is a big step forward in protecting the integrity of UK businesses. Every single company director is covered by this new rule. If you're a new director, you'll need to complete verification before your appointment is officially registered. For those already serving as directors, Companies House will set a specific period for you to complete the process once the system is live. No one is exempt, and failing to verify could mean you're unable to act as a director. This ensures a level playing field and greater accountability across all UK companies. Verification process is designed to be straightforward. You'll need to provide a valid form of photo identification, such as a passport or driving license. This can be done online through the Companies House portal, or you can use an authorized agent to help you. Once your identity is confirmed, your director ID status will be officially recorded with Companies House. This digital record helps maintain transparency and ensures that only verified individuals can serve as directors. Make things easier, Companies House offers an online portal for identity verification. This means you can complete the process from anywhere at any time. Alternatively, authorized service providers are available to guide you through the steps if you prefer extra support. Both options are secure and designed to protect your personal information. The goal is to make compliance as simple and accessible as possible for all directors. You might be wondering why this new rule is so important. The main reasons are to improve transparency in UK companies, protect against identity misuse, and strengthen trust in the business register. By verifying every director's identity, the government aims to make it much harder for criminals to hide behind fake names or set up fraudulent companies. This is a vital step in building a safer, more trustworthy business environment for everyone. Economic crime and identity misuse have been growing concerns in recent years. By introducing mandatory identity checks, Companies House is taking a proactive approach to prevent these issues. This not only protects individual directors but also safeguards the reputation of UK businesses as a whole. The new system is designed to catch potential fraud before it happens, making the business landscape safer for everyone involved. As a director, it's important to be ready for the new verification process. Make sure your identification documents are up to date and keep an eye out for further guidance from Companies House. Once the system goes live, you'll need to complete verification within the specified timeframe. Staying prepared will help you avoid any disruptions to your role and ensure your company remains compliant with the law. This new Companies House rule marks a major shift in how UK companies are managed and regulated. By embracing identity verification, directors are helping to create a more transparent and secure business environment. As the new system rolls out, staying informed and proactive will be key. Remember, these changes are designed to benefit everyone by making UK companies safer and more trustworthy for the future.